Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can simply use LinkedIn Learning Lifetime for free. So for this, first of all we need to go to a LinkedIn website. Now you can see LinkedIn is open. If I click on another tab, now if I go to LinkedIn Learning, from here you can see we need to purchase this, but I'm going to show you how you can easily get into LinkedIn without spend any single penny. So for this we need to give this library number from here. I'm going to put this library card number and pin number in my video description. Now I'm going to give this pin. Now you can see guys, we are in LinkedIn for free. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.